In this video, we'll show you how we cleaned our Whirlpool dishwasher's filter. If you're going to be cleaning your own dishwasher's filter, we would recommend double checking the model number and the manual to make sure you're doing it correctly. Most of the time, you can find the model number on the inside edge of the dishwasher. Okay, we'll go ahead and open it on up and get this started. The first thing we need to do is remove the bottom tray so we can access the filter. Once we have this, we'll move it and put it off to the side. The filter on ours is located right in the middle underneath that spinning blade. So with the blade moved to the side, we'll then grab the filter, push it down a little bit, and then rotate it about a quarter turn counterclockwise until it's free to where we can pull it out of the dishwasher. We'll go ahead and set that in our sink so it's ready to be cleaned. Once that part of the filter is removed, we're now going to take out this screen right here. To remove the screen, we're just going to simply grab that little lip and we pull it right on towards us, and it is now free from the dishwasher. As you can see, it is pretty nasty and it does need to be cleaned, so good thing that's what we're doing. Okay, jumping over to the sink. To clean these off, we're really just going to be rinsing them with some cold water. Just doing a little rinse, trying to get every little nook and cranny of this filter cleaned out so we can put it back in nice, fresh, and ready to go. If the filter does have little residue bits stuck to it, then we're just going to take a small light little brush, just go over it and just gently brush out any of that excess residue just to make sure we get it all nice and clean before we put it back into the dishwasher. Moving on to the next piece, we're going to do pretty much the exact same thing. We're going to take that water and run it over the entire component of this filter here. So we're just going to go ahead, just gently scrape off anything that it looks dirty or that shouldn't be there, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall it into our dishwasher. To put it back into the dishwasher, we're basically going to do everything in reverse. So we take that screen mesh filter and we're going to try and slide it into place. This first try, we didn't realize that there were two little lips that it does need to go under, and we have to make sure that we do it at the exact same time, so we had to pull it out and then push it back in so it can fit correctly. And then that screen filter should pop into place, and there we have it. Okay, after that part is done, we'll then take the upper part of the filter and we will push it into the slot, and then we're going to push it down gently and then rotate it a quarter turn clockwise until it locks into place, and now we know it's secure. Last thing to do is to take that bottom tray, put it back on the rails, and slide it on in, and that is how we clean our Whirlpool dishwasher filter. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.